Welcome back guys to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice Math Olympiad question. So we have to solve for the value of x. So the first thing guys you want to do is to simplify the equation. So simplifying this equation, we have this to be x multiply x, we have this to be x squared over 5 multiply 5 is 25, which is equal to 5 over x. So the next thing guys you want to do is to multiply through by 25x to get rid of the denominator. So we have this to be 25x multiply x squared over 25 is equal to 25x multiply 5 over x. So this is going to cancel out this. We have this to be x raised to the power of 1 multiply x squared is equal to x multiply x. We have this to be 25 multiply 5. So this becomes 25 multiply 5. So applying the property of exponent, that is, if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n plus n. But 25 can be expressed in terms of 5 as 5 raised to the power of 2. So from here, we have this to be x raised to the power of 1 multiply x raised to the power of 2 is equal to, now in place of 25, I'm going to make this to be 5 raised to the power of 2 multiply 5 raised to the power of 1. So applying this property, we have this to be x raised to the power of 1 plus 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So this becomes x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. So the next thing you want to do is to simply rearrange and set the equation to 0. So this becomes x raised to the power of 3 minus 5 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 0. So we want to simply apply the difference of cubic formula. So applying the difference of cubic formula, we have this to be, if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we have that x raised to the power of 3 minus 5 raised to the power of 3 is equal to, now x is a and 5 is b. So we have this to be x minus 5 into x squared plus x multiply b, which is 5, plus b squared, which is 5 squared. So this is equal to x minus 5 into x squared plus x multiply 5 is 5x plus 5 squared is 25. So hence the equation becomes x minus 5 into x squared plus 5x plus 25, and this is all equal to 0. So this implies that x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 0 plus 5 and x is equal to 5. So we're going to call this x1, which is equal to 5, and we have been able to find the first value of x. So for x squared plus 5x plus 25 equals to 0. Now in order for us to solve this, we want to simply solve using the quadratic formula. So applying the quadratic formula, that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a, and we have that a is equal to 1, b is equals to 5, and c is equals to 25. So applying this, we have that x is equals to minus 5 plus minus the square root of b squared, we have it to be 5 squared minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 25, all into 2 multiply 1. So from here we have that x is equals to minus 5 plus minus the square root of 5 squared is 25, 4 multiply 1 multiply 25 is going to give us 100, all into 2 multiply 1 is 2. So x is equals to minus 5 plus minus the square root of 25 minus 100 is going to give us minus 75 over 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 5 plus minus, now 75 can be written as 25 multiply 3, and this is equal to the root of negative 1 all into 2. Alright, but the root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have that x is equals to minus 5 plus minus the root of 25, the root of 3 of I, and the root of negative 1 is I over 2. So x is equals to minus 5 plus minus the root of 25 is 5 into the root of 3i over 2. So from here we have that x2 is equals to minus 5 root of 3i over 2, and x3 is equal to minus 5 root 3i over 2. So these are the values of x. So hence, we have that the roots are given as, so we have the roots as, so from here, we have the first root, which is x1 is equal to 5. So we have that x1 is equals to 5, and this is a real root. So from here, we have that x2 is equal to minus 5 plus 5 into the root of 3I over 2, and x3 is equals to minus 5 root of 3I over 2, and these are the complex roots. So these are the values of x for this question that says x over 5 multiply x over 5 is equals to 5 over x. So guys, if this video is really helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to Mathematical Mindset, and I'm going to see you in the next video.